Okay, FM 101.7.
Menya Honorable Eric Opoku wo yemra shebedwani ewo Esunafo South or sanso minority spokesperson on Agric na se ebaku adwuma mu a edom kuma no ono ene kasa ema wo mo ye ne betwetwe nkomo afa budget ya enura ye gitu mu no Honorable Eric Opoku memu ache eba ade ache bia dwumadi so
Majo so many aba.
Yo ye dan se wada roma enu akwantente bia kopie kotia ya je budget no atum ekosei
Yo dey ka madam ase. Em say budget no enra de ye no enye budget ni nyintumu ne ye no nra no. Enra ne di debate a eye principles in the budget. Policies a e budget mu debate no ye de ba ye. Enti free enekri yes 30 ministries no say obiade the budget estimates. The year budget man no say sika no so fan koye na adwuma de ode koye no wode be ba yanim no be san de the man last year no the ode year so aba yanim enti free na kroi the ministry no ewie ne nkata no de ba committee no ho a committee bia be hye timer oni ministry no be hia na ministry na adwuma for technical people ni nyina be trase minister ne timu bi no ma kire 2018 sika ya approve ma wo no de om de ye no ma justify the entire 2019 allocation we ye approve ma wo mo am de no ba ye nim wi a na committee na generate report e de aba floor na parliament say debate ye be debate ministry bia dia kosi ye wi a afa ni aye appropriation no na ya approve eno ni approve ala just budget no afa de ya dia tum kra edi ye no no idea ya end the debate on the policies. Afa ni eko financial estimate no so. Enti enya nwie budget ni ntum kra. Just ya pass appropriation ni wie. Enna na kire sa afa the budget no ya approve ya dia tum say enko ye adwuma. Enti ba bia ye duru no.
Enti bebia ye duru no ye ne Honorable Seche Mensa bonsu twetwe nkomo ena wo kan sese wo hye ne ewo mu a o na kyerese eni daso wo ho pa e kyerese aban wo bo adwuma na no na minority for mu de mo se e uninspiring adentia
Ye di ka meda wasimi ni aba meji se Honorable Seche Mensa wo frɛ na na wo anim se de obeka na okan yi because he is the majority leader or a minister on the parliamentary affairs so and is a minister na buying the budget aba obviously you wouldn't expect about the job on track as a budget renye your bakani but minority your point are you so on say oh ya Ghana ya fa sia otwedi ampon nyankopon de cheye no so uchi chemu a emu 57% over 13 million hectares land odi ya agriculture eyeye arable land odi ya agriculture papa and na your workforce no one more year adwuma wo mamu a aso se year adwuma bi year adwuma bia uchemu a more than 50% so adwuma na omuhyem endika na man nyina so pa no so pe se tumpon a also pagya adwuma na de adwuma ko go industry na industry dia ko trade afa no man na nyina so indi se adwuma pagya no ho a na adwuma no ba ya adwuma no leba no ya de ko industry na manufacture this value that's your phone here no ba no manual na along the value chain you buy employ omo na ya ko to na di sika ba na mayo man enye nyina so ba ya budget ya di ba ya me nua ba me pese me bobo paragraph kakra metumi akai na wa twotwo na wo wie na wo kan matiafo atia obi ahu ni yi budget ne say ebra NPP aban be di akonya 2017 no na kuadwuma nyina na enyini no okọ paragraph 254 o se na enyini by growth rate 2.9%. Omo an kan say 2.9%. And omo dey hise bia e friend planting for food and job buy. And was 2017 no kwa wo dey buy no. What you could afford 201,000 on the same. What the fertilizer and 100,000 metric tons on the same. What this is no. Agricultural sector is grown by 6.1%.
Hello, Honorable. Erikopoku. Hello, Honorable. Honorable Erikopoku. Hello. Honorable. Where dear, na me pese wo gina yie kakra ma me na wa homa no ekwa na aba nti minim sa wote me kan.
Now, growth in the agricultural sector no, a decline from 6.1% about 4.8%. And was it 2019? Other side in one gram cafe. And the Kuafono, or you can see number no through 920,000 farmers. And what chair fertilizer and 294,292 metric tons. And what top pickers 216 pickers. And not all motorbikes 3,000. So what they mark a Kuafono, section officers, Moko broke Kuafono from not a Nyomano and Koso Kama. And not far a section officers, 270, Mumwama, a Kuafono, and no by Nemra. First half of the year 2019, every January, ABC, June, agriculture grew by 2.6%. Now, last year, Oko paragraph 75 of our budget now. Also last year, every January, June, 2018, agriculture grew by 4.7%. And the whole year 2018 in 4.8. This year, first half, grew by 2.6. If you want to have we contact, I think we'll be real by 1%. And the location is there. You invest so much in agriculture. Say you increase investment in agriculture. Obi we are seeing beyond in agriculture there. Multiplying effect, a sector beyond or man, we are seeing baby. Because on him, what you grow grain, back up say, Aqua Forma, it is here. Ucha cost, back to thousands of grains and a walk. So at the end of agriculture, you invest so much. The same thing about cocoa production. 2016, 2017. 2016, I have to now you cocoa, you talk, you are just indicated no editor cocoa, you know, talk cocoa. No, on 7 January, you hand over some month cocoa, no tonso. At the end of the period, no, Ghana 969,400 metric tons. 2017-18, now this is what transfer. And you fully understand Monsano. I'm sorry, you have pollination. You have a pollination, I'm a cocoa national. You have 20,000. I'm between a cocoa production increasing by 188%. On projection, no. At the end of the period, no, cocoa production increasing, net decreasing by 12%, about 904,000. 2018-2019. Once there be a very expanding investment. After now, on my population, you're increasing number to 30,000. And for that 30,000 population, I'm a cocoa production. I am more than double. Oh, now you see a irrigation, you're pilot. You're ensure all year round cocoa production. I feel be able to cocoa. In terms of the cocoa, so another so. At the end of the day, no, cocoa no swat by all my report in the budget, I'm saying 811,250 metric tons. So the simple question I hear is say, Obian is there before again. Principle can everybody will be on my duty to say, you plant a seed and you reap a harvest. And then under the watch of Nana Lugango and the MPP.
Honorable.
You are planting harvest.
Hello.
When you get so much, not such an 8 planet. Now, cocoa, production of 811,000. 811,000. And now, say the year for you will see the other for and sign your senior Yaduaki. I want to make you raise issues. Over fishes, I can't discuss on your personal one. Fishes is down. Fishes 2016, I hand over a moment. Not fishes, they go by 3.1%. From our budget, we have paragraph 20. On my exact view, I explain the America to the week. Yeah, the moment, not such an official subsector, they grow by 3.1%. IBP so now, so and this is why you're saying, Yan Yabe. Many of them are saying, almost so much to do. Ma at the forum for Yagre. Now, yeah, I did the group. And on the no matter how when you say, hey, you and you know what my air was in you. Yes, on the 2017, fishing subset and growth, declining to negative 1.4%. 2018, a decline further, negative 3.8%. And 2019, in the first half of the year, still in the negative, from negative 10 point something. That's all. Fishing sector no there, and there was recession cry. Negative continuous for almost 3 years now. A recession, a boom. And so nice now, the say agriculture is booming, no. Most of your small money about budget money now, and closer. So yeah, government say, your propaganda about this agriculture, but when you are reporting and you provide the figures. Not on any what kind of mountain. It is our duty as a minority. Say you have more constructive criticism. I pointed to you say no. Your figures not a portray different picture altogether. It is the issue I am raising. Say when you make self figures now, yes. After your personal subjective self figures now to analysis near her say. At the end, now we invest so much. After the next sector no a decline. Tell you shall move away, and I had the budget figures or the buy any year. You said Debbie. One more acquire Jumano, Minister of Agriculture, Jumano acquire.
Okay,
Report our budget.
points.
If you do baby, I won't give you analysis. Remember, Mammy 20 by 20. Okay, paragraph 271. Paragraph 271. Of the 2020 budget. I want to say, I have 2019 way. I want to get some chapters like Zankwa. I have 342,200 metric tons. Now, every September, I want to achieve 86%. And if I now calculate 86% of 342,200, we get 294,292 metric tons. Now you say fertilizer do way and we check it. Oma check diama ekuafo associates diama ekuafo. But paragraph 275 in the same budget no was ABC sabre no was 331,000 metric tons. It is all check subsidies abaya tia diama ekuafo in the form of fertilizer subsidies. So sika abaya tia ya subsidy no can say what the 840 million. And then, fertilizer subsidy, I'm a what the figure they are in the back of the figure. No matter what you mean,
Meteo pa honorable.
What the figure they are in the back of the Now, your question you post and say, why not acquire what you and a wow report to Parliament of the Republic of Ghana. Not Parliament are subjected or report to analysis. Now, you can draw positive conclusions that are very impacted on the lives of Ghanaians. And then now provide the conflicting figures. What it means is that you are hiding something. Okobiewa, me man 2 instances, maybe among several of them. Namija analysis number 1 ye. We have paragraph 270, a paragraph 670, 670.
Okay,
What's your planting for food and jobs? 2018. Production contributions a year to maize production. I was in 2018, no. Planting for food in Kwame, produce 2.3 million metric tons. 2.3 million metric tons. Also, rice in Kwame 2018, produce 769,000 metric tons. What sorghum, or soya bean, and no cereals, any leguma, except planting for food, the SARS here. And to keep volumes now, or count 2018, stop planting for food and jobs, they buy now. Next is the 2018 Kwano, planting for food and jobs, produce cereals and legumes. I have 3.5 million metric tons. 3.5 million metric tons. Paragraph 670. But also paragraph 258. Now, what I can't say in 2017 and 2018, so okay, cereals, any legumes are in 2 years in Aboma, 1.5 million. aba so me and the person me analyze me use the figures no I be analyze the impact of planting for food and jobs our Ghana for so no some figures in me no ya he na ya no kra me use which one is correct I know you catch me you know say argument no one na kwaye so things the way is my part I was on figures now the ba no and the older budget in our percentage in our corporate but so you went who problem paragraph 772 was it 2020 obey engaging a platform 1.2 million our planting for food and jobs by the end of the year our project will producing 1.8 million tons the paragraph 772 2018 when you platform 577,000 I produce 2.3 million.
Okay.
And then now they could afford 1.2 million. I could produce 1.8 million. There is something wrong. A decline a form. And so what they do is that they sit down and they cook up figures. Let's throw anything in there. Now you're and it's too full analyze that. That is why I catch what say. As for agriculture, I just have a country. I have to be an impact. Our man for life so. And then and again I enya aduane aboso. Planting for food am aduane abu. Enti ya fi export for aduane ni nyina bi. Na then you sorry. Actual application in January 2019. Adiko ECOWAS strategic store say what 3 years. Mumo ya grobosia. Mumo ya mobosia. Yakoji 2,750 metric tons of cereals. Na ya se boss planting for food and jobs is about to March. Now we see November. Not Ghana man yet to try. If you catch them, say, Abiani Bua, yes, Abiani production of Ghana, and yet all year round, a seasonal. Sabe ya bra trouble there. Every year around this time, so when I know your favorable kwa bodiebu. But remember, say, you better do January, February, no. Not bodiebu, you never hope you. But when you talk about agricultural production, we are looking at production for the entire year. It's a city you do now. Pasa Bayirabu, such a Fibia Bayirabu now. Now Bayirabu Jabianaba. Meanwhile, Bayirabu planting for food and jobs. Planting planting for food and jobs. And so say, and then I'm an idea. But I think the only point is that you need storage facilities. You don't store by Ireno. If you do leave in my to by Ireno, I never work out of the phone making a advantage.
Yo, Yenshana, Honorable Eriko Poku, Yen sign friendly BM say, na me pesenka opposition homame, o jina ye mamina, ne kasana eba ye, but a corner eba, one tea and councils unti, when I san friendly BM, na waba, na what was free baby, and what drew no ama if say, na homano, enyina su ye, we, Isaac say, oh, eti sanko, Honorable Eriko Poku.
Ana
me frewa se ukasa ne basra na esa akofom e basra na esa na me frewa na wontinti we de wanya amaye de ato so bia na waduru to so maye
but I hear na kofom na ka min si hoyi
na ku adwuma mu wo bia na wo kasa planting for food and job no aba be kasa aduane abu a e ho na aduru ye no
good planting for food and jobs no mini aba eno kra ni bien yes say 2008 ana on your research, remember out there, African, you know, the whole world. African, they are assassin fertility, no. I have nutrients in the soil, no. And what from? If you have a production, no, and cost as compared to production cost in the rest of the world. In the time of there, I was at Africa, you have to have your soil fertility, no, you have to improve upon it. And in 2008, and Ghana started national fertilizer subsidy ewa Ghana ha say you better fertilizer the America for now buy subsidy now for now for at your group or no buy say by you bet me I improve upon the fertility of our soil because more estimate say Africa ha nyina no the value of soil fertility I lose no around $40 billion ne santi country be our Africa opesa food production and matching population growth, I was distribute fertilizer and the amount of for production and the cost. So 2008, I'm 8 and you're saying, yes, I think 2008, you know, you're about a president for 4 years. If it's 2009, I get the same program that fertilizer milk your phone. I buy 50%, milk your phone 50%. 2015, and the NDC are buying under Ura Mahama. And the Canadian government, again says, I was a Canada for the boy agriculture. Now you improve. Now you Canada for a program that Quacolia, or many other. And also about one year, second phase. That program area, I'm my Sika, 135 million Canadian dollars. I can't. Now, that's a 10 million Canadian dollars here. Canada are buying at the back home. Now, what you have to say, I think you see this Canadian and you be a channel yesterday, one and a half, and find it. It is a say, no, we are the same. You have the same channel, and then you improve agricultural extension. Yeah, then say that's what extension of the agricultural colleges, you know. After your friend, you learning, I will honor. It's the agricultural college, you are, so school man, through you learning, no, a lecturer. Our Canada, Saskatchewan University, Obetimina Kasa Acre, Abion Pasa, Omotia, the Obetia Tozu. The extension officer, Ecofield, Yeramo Mogaje, Okonuse, Adiabi Bell Fumuha, Omu Bida, Obetia Photo. Now what you are called the research center, the view of Masibu Akaha, what the government to me, Anya Amma Solution. I'm forwarded the call Saskatchewan University, no more his own solution. Now Omotiaba. And I'm saying, Channel, you never talk pickers, you never talk most of that. And your man, extension officers, near the other human Ako Kama. You never support production, you did one man, you do manage that. Yes, you buy your free soon, and you're number 2. I don't buy on the baby. But last time I didn't 50%, you know. I had national fertilizer subsidy program. I had the Canadian facility where I actually hunting for food and jobs. It's dependent for food and jobs. And your mom, we are saying different lives are almost 50%. 2017, how much change you know? Some of them are creating 25%. Now we're trying not where we are. We're about to 25%. Aka. 2017, I'm just your phone here. And then you come because that's other than we are 50%. And then almost here. Say the fertilizer no man. If the fertilizer now you demand that the same program and a one more class. Nidi na sasa. I said the one who was doing peace. No, the man was not the savior. It's not a shot, but the calamity is the same thing. But at the end of the day, no, I'm not trying to say, I say, I'm a broker of Fufrobia bar. I am the Fufrobi. That is not the case. The reality today is that Ghana, you're importing more rice, you're importing more maize. Rice are producing, and then, is it enough to feed Ghanaians? No. So we complain say, importation now rising. I'm a man who's here, you was at Mafua. I say Ghana spending $1.35 billion and they import rice into Ghana. Just to support local consumption. It's no catch you say, oh no, once you put a man, you're Ghana they are self-sufficient. On my food import bill. I had it over $3 billion. What is self-sufficiency in food production? No. If you can say, yes, we are all leaders, regardless of the political persuasion. But I was in my attention, you will say, hey, you can't reflect on man for near at the end of the day, no, you're a beneficiary. If you think you're going to buy a budget, that's against the almost kind of volcano, and that is why you can't. Here you were, not anything can't be another threat. And the rest of us are married to the budget. They put your hand in your
Yo.
Anna, Minister Benjamin Horn, Finance Minister. I can tell someone discuss 2.2 billion. Abu Ghana for bottom. The 2.2 billion, the be a fertilizer subsidy. I will tell you, if you are or Mamma 50%. 50% now by Chiano, or check here, or send them quite about 840 million Ghana cedis. It me, I was on the fact, the volume, the fertilizer quantity or Chiano. Now, make us 20 shares, you cannot send an Okana. Over 5 volume now. Figure that share fertilizer figures, just a budget. Over 2018 budget, now have fertilizer, over 2019 budget now have last or say okay ni me no don't know the be 20 budget ma no the be aka because paragraph 789 of 2018 budget also 2 million bags of fertilizer 2 million bags 100 metric tons over 2019 budget ma paragraph 502 also 183,000 you can be no ma 2 years, 2017, 2018, was 283,000. But over paragraph 257 of the same 2020 budget was a total of 551,000.
Yo, hello, honorable.
Yeah,
and you said the Usika no say a faina ministries no institutions I would do woman do a budget beba not my pense mu na ma hu said the city no and the fan common service and me so make you point upon na de me be say di twa to say na wo ka be for planting for food and job no wo analysis a wo ye na say wo purchase ade no emfa so bi ani so ni e beja crank ye nyai enti sa
the na make can say adentina agricultural investments ayem output a decline na nyam kwa na wo me ya worry women about one so you must be worried. So why you create da? When you say create or there be a better from the out for two, unya no mo. Argentina, yes, expanding investments now. Now for agricultural production, growth so ever from Etiba. In the year when you 2.6%, the last year, first half of the year, 4.7. Now we year no 4.8. This year when you 2.6, we have a year say. Well, we have a year say. Now I got trash budget this year over no 6.9%. A day then I year. 1 year 2.8 per unya. Remember that 2015 now it's pointing for food and jobs in 1 hour ago. Also about 2.9. This year was 2.6. And that is the issue. If the young concern is oh my accurate period. Now enable yen. Now you been getting issues no. Because fertilizer now what they check send production say no. Remember, the minister now the country said 50,000 metric tons of fertilizer there. A man for us smuggle Burkina Faso. They do to office. Now the calculator say, may the fertilizer say come here for a careful base fertilizer where you under 20% market job. A dear job at some now open. Okay. Okay, Ghana and also getting the outside.
Yo, honorable, Yana Sipa, Yada Sipi.
Why me uncle economy?
And then Yamia do much now, yet never san from near core economy so. Every said now say kuyajuma no when ni ji kuyajuma no ho pa ntino and na once now say minority spokesperson on agric nti one analysis no dodo na fa agric no ho eti wo china ne aba economy ne so na akoyi yo honorable medasipa yo honorable Eriko Poku eye mrashebedwani e wasunafo south where minority spokesperson on agric na
Okay FM 101.7